Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start with safety and diagnosis. Disconnect the battery negative terminal so you won't short anything. This protects you and the vehicle. Once done, remove the charger housing and visually inspect for melted plastic, debris, or loose wires because those tell you what failed. Now test with a multimeter at the socket. You want about 12 V between center pin and ground. If you see 0 V, you likely have a blown fuse or an open connection that needs tracing. Next, trace the positive lead from the socket to the fuse block or inline fuse and replace any blown fuse with the same amp rating. Using a higher rating risks fire. Then address poor connections. Cut back to solid copper, tin with solder or use a proper crimp butt connector, and protect joints with heat shrink. This restores conductivity and durability. Clean corroded contacts with a brush and contact cleaner so resistance drops, and verify continuity with your meter before reassembly. Finally, reassemble the socket, reconnect the battery negative, and test under load using a 1A charger or test lamp so you see real-world behavior. Voltage should stay near 12 V. If it still fails, check the accessory relay and vehicle ground points, since a bad ground or relay often mimics socket faults. Make sure to swap in a known good socket or probe continuity across the harness to isolate whether the socket itself or
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.